Good morning, children. Today I want to explain from worksheet number 4. Find the difference between from chapter 8, class 4. First one, 4 hours 30 minutes and 5 hours 50 minutes. We have to find the difference. 4 hours 30 minutes and 5 hours 50 minutes. We have to find the difference. First of all, we have to arrange in hours column and minutes column. First, 5 hours 50 minutes. This 5 we have to write under down the hours and 50 we have to write under down the minutes. Next, 4 hours 30 minutes. This 4 we have to write under down the hours and 30 we have to write under down the minutes. Then we have to do the subtraction. First we have to separate the minutes column. 50 and 30. We have to separate 50 and 30. 50 minus 30. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 3 is how much, children? 2. So how many minutes we got? 20 minutes. Next we have to separate hours column. 5 and 4. 5 minus 4 is how much, children? 1. So finally how much answer we got? 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes. See some. Find the difference 3 hours 35 minutes and 6 hours 50 minutes. We have to find the difference. First of all, we have to arrange in hours column and minutes column. 6 hours 15 minutes, no, children. This 6 we have to write down the hours column and 15 we have to write down the minutes column. Next, 3 hours 35 minutes. This 3 we have to write down the hours column. 35 we have to write down the minutes column. Next, we have to do subtraction. Here see, children, here we cannot separate 35 from 15 minutes. So what should do? We shall borrow 1 hour from 6 hours to the minutes column. 1 hour from 6 hours to minutes column. So what will happen? If we borrow means this 6, it becomes 5 and here it becomes 1 hour. If we carry here means how many minutes it will come? 60 minutes. Is it clear, children? Next, we have to add this two. 60 plus 15. How much will get? 75. Here how many hours is remained? 5 hours it remained. Next, minus 3 hours 35 minutes. Now we can do subtraction, no, children? Yes. 5 minus 5 is how much, children? 0. 7 minus 3 is how much, children? 4. So how many minutes we got? 40 minutes. Next we have to separate the hours column. 5 minus 3. How much will get? 2. 2 hours 40 minutes. What is the final answer we got, children? Tell me. 2 hours 40 minutes. See second question, children. What time will it be? What time will it be? 2 hours before 3:30 a.m. 2 hours before 3:30 a.m. So in order to get the time, what should we have to separate 2 hours from 3 hours 30 minutes? We separate 2 hours from 3 hours 30 minutes. Let us arrange this one in hours column and minutes column. 3 hours 30 minutes, no, children? 3 we have to write down the hours column. 30 we have to write down the minutes column. Next we have to arrange 2 hours. These 2 hours I will arrange. We'll write 2 in hours column and 0 in minutes column. Next do the subtraction. First we have to separate the minutes column. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is how much, children? 3. So how many minutes we got? 30 minutes. Next we have to separate the hours column. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 how much will get? Will get 1. So what is the final answer we got? 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes. How we can write the time? Therefore the time will be 1:30 a.m. Therefore the time will be 1:30 a.m. B1. What time will it be 4 hours before 7:10 a.m.? What time will it be 4 hours before 7:10 a.m.? What should we, in order to get the time, we have to subtract 4 hours from 7 hours 10 minutes. We separate 4 hours from 7 hours 10 minutes. First of all, we have to arrange in hours column and minutes column. 7 hours 10 minutes, no. 7 we have to write under down the hours. 10 we have to write under down the minutes column. Next 4 hours. 4 will write under down the hours and minutes will mention it as 00. Because here no minutes, no, children, so we'll write it as 00. Then do suppression. First we have to separate the minutes column. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is how much, children? 1. So how many minutes we got? 10 minutes we got. Next we separate the hours column. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is how many hours we'll get? 3 hours. So what is the final answer we got? 3 hours 10 minutes. Therefore the time will be 3:10 a.m. Therefore the time will be 3:10 a.m. See children, in the video from worksheet 4, I explain first sum, find the difference between, I explain A sum and C sum. I explain A sum and C sum. What should do as assignment work? We have to do B and D1. What is B1? 7 hours 45 minutes and 9 hours 50 minutes. We have to find the difference. D1. 5 hours 45 minutes and 7 hours 20 minutes. This B and D we have to do as assignment work. Second question. What time will it be? In the video I explain A sum. What is the A sum? 2 hours before 3:30 a.m. and B1 is 4 hours before 7:10 a.m. These two I explain in the video. We have to do C1 and D1. 2 hours before 11:05 p.m. 3 hours before 6:20 p.m. So what is the assignment work you have to do, children? Tell me. From second sum we have to do C and D. From first sum we have to do B and D. So total how many sums you have to do, children? 4 sums. B, D, C, D. These 4 sums we have to do neatly in your notebook, children. This is the assignment work for you, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.